Hey guys, it's me, Joy Shine Out, and today we're gonna do a different video. Today's video is based on my homemade squishies, and yeah, I did that wrong. It's supposed to be IES. And I made some of these when I was 9, 8, 7, some when I was 10. And I started making squishies when I was like 7 years old, but I didn't make a lot because I didn't really have a lot of time to make some. It's basically in this really big pink box. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box. And this is basically my homemade squishy collection, so let's get started. Alright, so the first category is cakes and tarts, so let's get started. So the first one is this very glittery, this is the first squishy I ever made, and it's actually squishier than the other ones. It has like a rainbow colour, I guess. It's really old. I used nail polish to paint it. So yeah, then we have these cake slices, which is this one. It's a strawberry shortcake one. Then I have this blueberry one. Then I have this orange one. This is like really defective. The defective means it destroyed. Can't really see. I'm not bothered to take out the package, but it's really soft. And then next is this cake. Has zigzags, strawberry shortcake, I guess. And then this very old one as well. Then this cake made out of 2 sponges, has big sprinkles on it. And then I have this tart. It says purple tart, a normal tart with purple filling and a blueberry swirl. And this is smiley face. And there it is. This is a swirl, and then the purple background, and yeah. And you can buy one of these. Well, I'm not selling them yet, but I'm just doing these tag thingies, just for fun. So yeah. And then I have this blue one, or blueberry. It's super duper squishy. Oops. And then I think this is the last one. And this one is this tart with a light purple background with dark purple design. Oh yeah, and some of these squishies are made out of makeup sponges, like this one, and 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 this one, except for this one, and this one. Alright. Next category. Well, that's the only category actually, so anyways, I have this Rilakkuma series green cake roll. And this is the tag. And let me just take it out. Here's the tag. It's really cute. Rilakkuma series. And then that's just a fake. That's a fake website. I just made that up. And here's the actual squishy. It's a cake roll, green cake roll. And I'll just put this back. Next squishy is this green melon bun. And a melon bun is actually like a Japanese or Chinese art. I don't know. I think it's a Japanese type of food. So yeah, it's a yellow one and a green one. It's a green sticker. It's really sparkly. It says Squishy, and it's going to cost £5. Next squishy, I then have this peach ring, or a donut, pink donut or peach ring, you know, it doesn't matter. I have a ball chain. Next, then we have this baby Olaf, whatever you call it. I call it Olaf. I didn't make it, but I just found, like, it's a mushroom. Ooh, his eye. It's like really cute. It's baby Olaf. That's a squishy head. And squishy body, but this one's actually kind of hard. There's water inside this as well, so yeah. I have a white chocolate squishy chocolate bar. It's mystery mushrooms, and I made this tag by myself, so it says £10 mystery mushrooms, and forget about that, that wasn't supposed to be down. So it's a mystery mushroom, and you have to see which one you get. So I don't already know what it is inside here, but this was supposed to be inside here. That's why it says it includes 2 inside, but and we got a Furby. It's another mushroom. There's water inside. Hello. And comes in this blue capsule. Let's put this back in. Right. Next one. I don't know why, but I have this ear thing, and it's not used. Yeah, you can see there's like red things in it. I don't know why. But it is. It's really dirty. But nobody used it, I think. I don't know. Hopefully. Next one. Then we have this red Valentine's Day cookie. Which is pretty ugly, but and squishy. £2. And squish. Then I have this ham sandwich with this emoji face. I guess it's like an emoji, but hot face. It's a ham right there. I painted this. And yeah. Really squishy and soft. And then next is this Alice in the Wonderland cookie. In the movie or the book, it had a cookie in it when she was next to the doors, and it said, "Eat me." And then I have this toast or Pop-Tart. And if you don't know what a Pop-Tart is, a Pop-Tart is basically like the snack that they have in America, and I have it at my house. You could get it at Westfield in Gobstoppers, right next to Select and Forever 21 at the 2nd floor. So yeah, that's where the Pop-Tarts are, but they're very expensive. So it has an emoji face as well, and I guess this is jelly. So yeah, and then this unfinished squishy that my sister did. It's not finished yet, but I might finish that soon. And then, last of all, we have this smiley face. It's in a red shape, but who cares? It's actually stress ball. So like when you're stressed, just like like when you're stressed about like homework and stuff, like, oh, I can't do this homework, I need to squish something. So yeah, so that is all my squishies that I made. I'm gonna show you all my favorite squishies right now. So yeah, let me just do this quickly. So my favorite squishies are this melon one, because this took so long to make. And then my other favorite squishy is this cake roll. Then it's this sandwich. And then where is that squishy? And then all these cakes. I love making cakes. Like, you can tell how many I made. So yeah, that's my squishy collection. Hope you enjoy. See you next video. Bye!